Hello, welcome class 12 chemistry with Qureshi sir. Today we will study about the esterification, a very important reaction in alcohol and phenol. आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे esterification के बारे में, ठीक है ना। तो esterification क्या होता है हम लोग पहले ये समझना है. Alcohol is a very good strong nucleophile, phenol is a very weak nucleophile. तो alcohol will react with कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. तो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड के साथ जस्ट रिएक्ट करेंगे किसमें, कौन सा कंडीशन, स्ट्रॉन्ग सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड कंसंट्रेशन, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड एंड दैट इज आल्सो कंसंट्रेटेड. जहां पर H प्लस होगा वो आपका फिर रिएक्शन. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट फर्स्ट देयर. नाउ लेट्स ब्रेक अबाउट द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. ठीक है, तो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फंक्शनल, आई थिंक सो यू हैव स्टडीड इन क्लास 10, बट इवन दो आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट इट वंस मोर. Carboxylic acid react with alcohol. Let's say alcohol, I'll just took for a R prime. So what happens? This reaction will go for the reversible in the presence of acid, and that acid is given by whom? Sulfuric acid concentration. Okay. So what does it give there? First of all, it give you water as a byproduct. क्या देंगे आपको? Water, because of the cleavage of hydroxy from acidic or from the carboxylic acid. This one is a carboxylic acid, so let's write the name carboxylic acid, and this is nothing but, let's say, alcohol. R may be CS2, CS3, whatever you may call. Now what happens after cleaving? What you get? You start from here, R, single bond, double bond O. This is called carbonyl group. Then you got this type of compound where COR is a ester. Now here we have to remember one thing. When you react carboxylic acid with alcohol, the process is called esterification, means the product is ester and this water has to drain out. Now according to Chatelier principle, what does it say? It says that agar aapka, if any of the product will remain the same or the reactant will remain the same, that reaction will be reversible. He said in his principle, Chatelier. But what happens here? What we are interested, what we are interested or desire to get it is ester, and water is a useless. Water can be drained out, but ester should be the maximum prime. हमारा prime aim क्या है? To get the ester by reacting carboxylic acid with alcohol to get ester, and water can be drawn out. Now if water will be drawn out, means it will throw out from the solution. This is called drain out continuously. When the reaction will take place, carboxylic acid, alcohol in the presence of strong acid, ester forming, and this water has to continuously go from the solution. If it is continuously go, then the shift of the reaction becomes from the reactant to the product side, and you will be getting 100%, provided this water has to remove out or drain out continuously from the reaction mixture. Now we'll study about the example. Now R stand for alkyl group. Let's say as a methyl group, right? Alcohol, you just change the position. I'll take ethyl alcohol, right? And the condition will be same in the presence of strong acids, right? In the presence of strong acids. So what does it give? See here also same thing. The cleavage of CO gone, and this will come out. So first of all you write the product of water here. Then you join this simple way. CS3 single bond O then O and CH2H5. Got CH2H5. Now this CH2H5 is nothing but your ester. What? I think you should get it. Okay. Now this is OCH3. This is ester. But provided here also the water should be thrown out. Means it will go out from the solution. It will go out from the solution like drain out. If you drain out, then you will be getting 100% ester. Right? So you got the thing or not? Let me explain you what. Esterification is nothing but it is a reaction between carboxylic compound and alcohol in the presence of strong acid. The solution has to be acid. This water will go combining, means OH of the carboxylic acid combined with proton of the alcohol. It will convert to water. Water should be drain out, throwing out from the solution. Hatao usko. Otherwise the reaction become reversible. But according to Chatellier's principle, he said this reaction is a reversible. But he said if one of the product is going to thrown out from the solution, then the reaction will be a net solution, showing the direction from your reactant to the product. And here also the direction become from the reactant to the product. I think you got the point then. Okay. And now one more thing, see here, the carboxylic group which we started, this is just for your information. This is the group of the carboxylic. Carboxylic group is nothing but this is called carbonyl and OH. Right? And now the derivatives of this, आपको सिर्फ H को सिर्फ हटा देना है. सिर्फ R के जगह में H को आपको ला करके यहाँ पर आपका C2H5 के लिए रख दीजिए. हाइड्रोजन को हटाओ, you bring C2H5. ये आपका हो गया एस्टर ग्रुप. क्या हो गया आपका? ये एस्टर. और ये आपका कौन सा ग्रुप हो गया था? कार्बोक्सिलिक. You don't have to write this. This is just for your understanding. The reaction is over here. This is called esterification. And one more thing you have to remember, that alcohol is a very good nucleophile. Phenol is a weak nucleophile. That's why here the alcohol react with carboxylic acid very nicely in the presence of acid. Chatelier principle you apply, you throw out the water from the solution, you will get 100% continuously drawing out. It's going to continuously have to throw it from the solution, water, and I'll get 100% of ester. Okay, subscribe my channel, press the like button, and pass your comment. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.